So I'm not a tech guy. I can barely keep my password straight. But over the last few months, I've started getting incredible results out of AI, and I figured out why. I stopped trying to play the instruments, and I learned to conduct them. Think about a conductor in front of an orchestra. He can't play the violin, can't play the drums, not even one instrument. And it doesn't matter. His whole job is to know what the music should sound like. That's it. That's the secret. You don't have to understand AI. You have to learn to conduct it. I'm going to show you how, one move at a time. This is move number one, and it's the biggest. Lead with the goal and say how you'll know it worked. Most people type something like, help me with my budget, and they give back a pile of generic junk. Why? Because the AI has no idea what you actually want, or what a good answer even looks like. Remember, it's a brilliant new assistant who knows everything, except one thing, your life. Don't say, help me with my budget. Say, I want a simple budget that fits on one page, and I'll know it's right when I can see what I have left after the bills are paid. You catch that? A goal plus how you'll know it worked. That's your sheet music. When you hand the AI the finish line, it runs toward it. When you don't, it guesses, and it guesses wrong. So, here's your homework. Same as mine. Next time you ask AI for anything, finish with this sentence first. I want blank, and I'll know it's right when blank. Try it once today, then come back. Next time I'll show you move number 2.